Hey guys, what's up? I'm just chilling here. Hanging out in my bed. Too relaxed to sit up. Lazy, I don't know. I just thought I'd make a video today, tonight, tomorrow, whatever it is right now. Today was my brother's birthday. He turned 21. And this was the first birthday we've ever spent apart. In 21 years, this is the first birthday that I haven't been there for him. It's kind of depressing me. Like, we've never, we've both had birthday parties, but it wasn't like, oh, you're not invited because you're a boy, or you can't come to my party because you're a girl. It wasn't like that. We've always spent our birthdays together. Some of our birthdays, we were all we had, So, and it's kind of sad because, he's 21, and, I mean, without disclosing my entire family situation, I basically raised him, and it scares me because I feel like he doesn't need me anymore, He's 21. What does he need me for now that he's an adult? I don't know. I just miss him. He's my little brother, my little big brother. I feel like I can hear creepy, Halloween music. Oh my god, it's the TV in the next room. Jeez, you guys. Not so much sleepy, it's just super relaxed. It snowed today. What the fuck is up with that? Snow? Ugh. I went out for my morning cigarette, and I walked into a blizzard, and I was a grumpy granny for the rest of the day. Super bummed about the snow. I don't like snow. Not at all. I want to move someplace warm. Like Australia. I love Australia. I've always wanted to go to Australia. I always thought that would make a good honeymoon. And now I'm starting to think it would make a better place to live, actually. I know people in Australia. I got friends in Australia. But, I hope all you New Englanders out there are surviving this, because I definitely am not. I don't know if I'll make it through. Can you see me? Hey. This isn't working. I want to sit up now, but I'll keep playing. Jesus, Mary, Joseph. It's very hot in my room. It's the smallest room in the house, so it gets heated pretty fast. You don't need to know this. Ignore it. Today is Saturday. Well, technically it's Sunday, I guess, then, right? If it's after midnight. Shit, I almost knocked over a candle. So, since it is Sunday now, I can say that tomorrow will be Monday. Monday is a very good day for me. Monday's been stuck in my head for a week. My mommy is sending me a box of goodies. And my brother informed me today that there's going to be a lot of candy in it. And I love candy. So, and I think I begged her for Almond Joys. So, very excited. And she's sending me other kind of like goodies and surprises and stuff. So I can't wait to see what she sent me. I know I asked if she could send me some knitting needles and some yarn so I can learn how to knit. So Monday I will start learning how to knit, and that is